and welcome to your active quadricep fascial freedom tutorial. The setup is exactly the same as the previous video. All we're going to be doing now is just introducing a little bit of knee flexion. So once you've sat there for a bit, allow the body to relax, make sure that, again, we've got some support and we're not arching through the lower back, very important. What you're gonna do is just pick one leg and just very gently bend the knee, pull the heel to the bum. By doing that, we're activating the hamstring, which is telling the quadricep to let go. For some of you, you may not be able to bend that far at all. That is okay. We don't want to be stressing or forcing anything at this point. It's just very slow activations. And you'll be able to alternate legs if you like, or you can focus on one leg at a time. When you bend the knee, you can then start to play a little bit. So if you bend your knee up, or you'll bring your foot up, bend the knee. Once you get it to a spot where you notice there's a bit of tightness, then you can go internal and external. Okay, that's another option for you as well. Just one thing to be aware of, that when you do bend the knee and pull it up, what's going to happen is if you are quite restricted to the front, you're going to start to arch in your lower back. So I want you to be very aware of that. And if anything, I want you to try and facilitate a little bit of a tail tuck to stop you from going into that anterior tilt too much. So a little bit of a tail tuck as you go through the action there. Once you've got that, work through it, find some of those really restricted, dehydrated spots. So get to work on that one. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video tutorial.